Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix live text not working on iPhone camera. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting in time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and like this video and press the bell icon. So guys, let's get started. So guys, firstly restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, so tap on power button and volume up at the same time, then drag this slider to the right. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen here, and then the next solution is enable the live text feature on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on camera here, scroll down, and then turn on show detected test. So enable this. After this, go back, and then the next solution is open the camera and close and relaunch. So restart your camera, and the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update here, and then so guys, check for update. So if the new update is available on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So guys, like this I am updating my iPhone to the latest iOS. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.